Good morning, guys. Welcome to 30 days of vlogging. This being 1st of November, and happy new month, guys. I'm really excited to begin this vlogging challenge with you guys. So today basically we are doing spend the morning with me. Had a heap of activities that I needed to do around the house. Jana nilikuwa nimeosha nguo, so I needed to fold them fast and arrange them kwa wardrobe because I've sorted the clothes according to the trousers, according to the dresses, according to the blouses, according to the sheets also. So hapa napanga trousers. And just to set the records right, that down Julio bottle you see there, it's for drinking. I don't do hard liquor. My sister brought, and she thinks we can make it a good flower vessel. So I was like, yeah, why not? I don't mind. So hapa I was nilikuwa napanga the bed sheets. I have a couple of them. Now after folding panga wardrobe, I decided to kupanguza the meza. That is my little study table. Now those writings I bought them back in 2023. Nilikosa style za kuziweka, but I thought let me have them back kwa wall. Hiyo nilikuwa na hang, that's why nilikuwa na hang na tape. Now this photo 2022, it has a letter at the back written to me by my then best friend, but since we have parted ways, it was also time I throw and tear the letter. Next thing was to tidy up the kitchen. Hizi ni vyombo za jana usiku. I needed to wash them. still there, mjaniacha peke yangu, and don't mind my teared shirt, please, I beg. So I needed to change the curtain ya kitchen as I had washed this one, so we needed to get it back. So my kitchen was all set up. The next thing was to go and kufagia nyumba hapa na pale kidogo. Next thing is the morning workout. Here I'm basically wearing my gloves for workout. I began with the planks. I was going for like 30 seconds each. And a good day starts when you shower. So let's take a shower before we start preparing the breakfast. Kuoga dakika ngapi? So I'm done showering, nimeenda kwa duka kununua mkate na maziwa. Let's prepare our first meal of the day. Chai na mkate. So I'm also suffering from dry cough. I have been drinking that mixture of ginger, ndimu, and kitunguu saumu. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Of course, see you tomorrow. That has been my morning. That has been my morning. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye now. Kidogo nijipeleke Sayuni. So mnakumbuka ile dawa niliwaambia I have cold cough? Nilishtuliwa na smoke kwa nyumba. Naangalia kwa nyumba, I'm like, hey, it's so smoky, what's up? And I was like, naona tu smoke kwa nyumba, hiyo ni nini? Kwenda nikakumbuka, yo, kuna dawa tuliwekelea kwa jiko. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. See you in day 2.